Hi guys! As you can see, I have a special guest in today's video and it is Miss S. And we're really happy today because we got a big package and I wanted Miss S to be involved in this because there is something for kids in here. So today we are going to be unboxing, let me show you, this massive package from Innisfree. Now for those of you that follow me on Instagram, if you don't, this is my Instagram handle here, you know that I love Innisfree. When I went to Korea with my best friend, you know, Auntie Kao.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's how I discovered Innisfree and it is huge over there. It's not just a Korean beauty brand, it's actually global. So watch this space because it's gonna go all around the world. And anyway, they sent me this box. As you can see, it says, Happy Green Holidays. Innisfree is an environmentally friendly company. They use all natural products. A lot of their products come from this beautiful island in Korea called Jeju Island. Basically, this whole campaign and why I've got Miss S involved is because this is like a limited edition holiday campaign and there's something in here that I want to bring to actually Hawaii and we are going to do. Let's open it up and well, you can undo the ribbon and let's have a look.
Okay.
So I'm actually not quite sure what's in here, guys, but it is their special holiday limited products for Christmas. I actually love this time of year. I can already smell something. First up, and this is what I wanted to talk about, is, can you read that out, darling?
It is a Happy Green Holidays DIY holiday stocking kit.
Okay, so why don't you open that and I will talk about it. And this is a case really close to my heart because 100% of all proceeds go to Save the Children Australia. I think you guys probably would have heard of Save the Children because it is a global company, but I love that Innisfree gives back. I mean, this is the season of giving, of gratitude. I mean, I love Christmas and the fact that they have partnered up with local charities since 2010, I actually love them more than I already do. So as you know, for those of you who've been following me for ages, I went to Cambodia with my son about 3 years ago. And next time when Miss S is older, maybe you should come with Mummy. Do you want to come?
Sure.
Yeah. And then what Save the Children does, essentially, you know, by the title Save the Children, it's to help gain a better education for underprivileged kids, it's to improve healthcare, it's for protection. And I just love that. So it's not just within Australia, they also help, you know, if there's any aid in neighboring countries as well. So let me just go through all the things that are in here, otherwise we'll be here forever. And I'll give them over to Miss S. So this is a perfume diffuser. So these are all things that are part of their, you know, Christmas range. I love Christmas range. So let's just, there's two of them. What else do we have here? This is a scented candle. That's nice. You can open that up. And this is the green tea seed cream. I'll give this over to Miss S to open up too because there's a lot of things in here. Oh, another DIY stocking. So this is what I want to bring over to Hawaii because we are actually just about to leave, but I quickly wanted to film this because this came here and also, yeah, it would just be a fun activity to do while we're relaxing in Hawaii. And what else do we have here? We also have the Perfumed hand cream miniature set. How cute is that? That would make such a good gift, don't you think, guys? And geez, there's a lot of product. And then this is lip balms, a 2018 My Lip Balm Best Collection. So there's 5 different colors and 5 different scents. So there's that one there. So all these products are in store now to buy and it goes to the end of December, I believe. And what else is this? Green tea. Oh, this is my favorite. You've got to open this one. I think you would have seen Mummy use this. Yeah, so open that up and that is it. So there are so many products and very importantly, I want to say this video is not sponsored at all. I wanted to do this. Obviously Innisfree did gift me all these things, but how good is it? Oh, here. Oh, this is my favorite. Green tea seed serum. Guys, this is the product I have been using since I got it from Korea. Love it. It's so hydrating. It's so nourishing. I love the smell. It's a big Christmas bottle. Mine's a lot smaller, but I just love this product. I use it like before moisturizing and I just feel like my skin is so much hydrated. So this is something I use daily. So you can hold this. But you guys, you know the best part? So I want you guys to try out the brand. It's actually a very affordable skincare brand. I always mix affordable and high-end makeup. And everything I've shown, you guys are going to get it in a big box as well. So there are going to be 3 winners. So I will list everything that will come in the big Christmas gift packaging. Unfortunately, it is open to only my Australian followers. So all you need to do is 1.
Be a subscriber.
Yep. 2.
Like this video.
Yep. And 3, I just want you to comment below what's your favorite thing about this festive season. So yes, there'll be 3 winners. I will leave when the giveaway finishes, but I'm going to leave it open for about 2.5 weeks. And also what I'm going to ask you to do, just to keep on the message of giving, it is totally up to you. I mean, it's always nice getting a present when you don't expect it, right? So when you get this package... Oops, sorry guys, not sure what happened to the recording. But what I was saying is when you get this package, I just ask you to gift one of those items to someone. You just have a friend that think, oh, I love the candles, I'm going to give her the candles or something like that. Even though you might think it's a small act, you just don't know the ripple effect that it will have, you know. It doesn't matter. You may think it's a small gift, but for that other person, it would change the course of their day. So I'm just so happy to be doing this video with Innisfree. It's a brand I truly believe in. The minute I asked them, I would love to, you know, give some things to my followers. They were like, yep, sure Mel, not a problem. Another thing is that I'm going to insert some vlog footage now, but I also had the opportunity to go to a working bee and volunteer to help out and see firsthand one of the playgrounds which Save the Children are involved in. And it was just so good to see the mothers and the kids, and they had this reading club. So I will insert that footage there. Today we are going to be volunteering. I'm here with the Innisfree Australia team. I'm going to be doing some gardening. You guys know I'm not even a gardener, but it's all for a good cause. And I'm just happy to be able to be volunteering my time. So yeah, got to get my green thumb on. So I'm going to be plucking these beans. I'm pretty sure they're beans. You guys are laughing at me, but all these beans, they're going to be donating all these beans to one of the mothers, and then we are just going to be clearing all this out because they're going to be planting tomatoes here. So yep, just gonna get to bean picking. So the reason why we are snipping them here is that if you leave the root intact, it's better for the soil because all this is going to be like a little tomato patch. So let's get snipping. These are good clippers actually. And hi Lise and Polly. Look. Hi! Look how glamorous we are gardening. Look at this one. So here are all the commissioned flats, and this is the playground here. So this is the centre here. So guys, I'm here with Emily, who's in charge of the corporate partnerships with Save the Children. What are some interesting things that you can tell my viewers that they may not know about with Save the Children?
Yeah, certainly. Well, I think a lot of people in Australia assume that we are a lucky country.
Yeah.
And with that, they think that maybe children are ready for school.
Right.
But 1 in 5 children are not well prepared for school in Australia.
Like, that's a big number. Like, I had no clue. When she told me that, I was like, wow.
Yeah,
That's
and
huge,
then
yeah.
that number is doubled for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander kids, which is a scary number.
Yeah.
If you're thinking 2 and 4, that's
Absolutely.
half. More than half are not ready for school, which is really scary.
And I also get asked quite a lot in terms of just say like all the funds that you raise, like how much as of a percentage or something would that be, say local as opposed to international?
Yeah, certainly.
Yeah.
So Save the Children are one of the largest child aid organisations in the world, but 60% of our funding stays in Australia.
Yeah.
I think that's something that people aren't aware of.
That I knew I wasn't aware of that. Yeah.
So we have over 200 project sites in Australia, and that funding helps with that.
And you guys have been here like 100 years.
Next year, 100 years.
How exciting.
Yeah.
That is so exciting. No, but it's been such a great day today. I had a great chat chatting with you and chatting with the Innisfree team. So thanks, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Aloha from Hawaii. So our family's here in Hawaii now, and from the last video you would have seen Miss S and I unbox a whole bunch of Innisfree goodies. 3 of you guys get to win a whole bunch of goodies from Innisfree, which was so generous of them. But what we wanted to do today is to make this together. So what does this say?
It's a DIY holiday stocking kit from Innisfree. It looks really cool.
So we're gonna open this up and make this together. So 100% of proceeds go to Save the Children. So if you are in Innisfree, do pick up one of these because 100% does go to such a good cause. And as I mentioned, guys, this is not sponsored. This is just something we wanna do together because Miss S and I are very passionate about giving back to the kids, because we did a giveaway earlier this year, didn't we?
Yes.
And did you have fun packing all the stuff for the kids and everything? Okay, so let's have a look inside. Hopefully it's not too hard, and make some stockings. Open it up. Let's open it up. And it's got a DIY holiday kit. Let's take that out. And let's start. Oh, there's a lot of things. You can take yours out too, darling. So there's a stocking.
Like sewing stuff.
And the sewing stuff. Okay, let's move this to the side. And I think we may need this. Can you have a look? Tell me what this says here.
It is a Happy Green Holidays DIY holiday stocking kit.
Oh, you
And
need
it
to
has-
sew.
Wow, it has all the instructions.
Mummy can't sew.
Yeah, me neither.
It's okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, let's open this up. I got a green stocking.
I got a red one.
That's a really nice stocking, actually.
Oh,
Like
it's
that.
so
So
soft.
soft. Let's move this out of the way. And move this.
Oh, I thought you had to unpeel it.
Okay, let's take this out. And so that's your kit and that's mine. Let's put the instructions there.
Oh, it's so soft.
Let's put it there.
Okay,
And then we're going to open this
yeah.
up.
This is
And let's
different.
figure it out. It's okay, we can do. There's a big needle. Oh, these are so cool.
Oh.
Look.
Oh, you got red actually, and I got green.
Yeah, look,
No,
I got
got
happy. Oh, look at a little, what's this called again?
A mitt?
Yeah, a mitt.
A mitten.
Candy
This
cane?
tune.
No,
Tune.
it's green. Oh, it's Happy Green. It says Happy Green Holidays. Because Innisfree, it's all about green, they're environmentally friendly.
It's like a reindeer.
Okay, let's figure this out. There's so many things. This is going to be fun. We're probably going to fast forward a bit of this, guys. Okay guys, so the light is going. I didn't realize it gets so dark so quick. So we've done that, and Miss S is doing pretty well. She's doing hers. So we're just gonna keep putting some more decorations on. So guys, that took a little bit longer than I thought. I'm not gonna lie, Mel's not a great sewer. We've just got one last bit to go, and we're just gonna tie this to the stocking, and then we are done.
Yay!
Yay! So let's just tie this on. Whoopsie. 1, 1, and 2.
Yeah.
There. Ready? Let's hold it up. Hold it this way. Yeah. Can we hold this? Ta-da! We're all done. So I had such a good day helping out, and thank you to Miss S to help me unboxing all these things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in my next video, guys. So by the time this video goes live, I will be in Hawaii, but I just wanted to film this video because I'm just really passionate about it. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day or night, and
Bye.
bye.